So last video we see the reciprocal inheritance. In reciprocal inheritance, white eye Drosophila female is crossed with red eye male. So see observed here. So first F1 generation red eye white eye is formed, and that means female all they told all males are white, all females are red. Whereas come to the next F2 generation. In next F2 generation, what I observed is 1:1 ratio of both male and female is formed. So these all character is due to the what he observed is all these characters are due to the mainly due to the gene located on the X chromosome, and what he concluded is always recessive gene is follow the crisscross inheritance. You listen carefully, it's very important. What is crisscross is, it is applicable to X recessive only, it is not applicable to X dominant. And what he is telling here is father gene is transferred to grandson through the carrier daughter. If any disease is having the father, it is carried to the grandson through the carrier daughter, or we can say it is a parent male to the F2 generation male gene is transferred through the F1 generation female. See here, listen carefully here. In this video, what we are observing here is female is containing XR, male is containing capital XR. That means it is a dominant, it is a recessive. First you remember, this is applicable to recessive gene, not applicable to dominant gene. It is applicable to recessive gene only. So recessive gene is mutated and it becoming a dominant here. See in first generation male is not affected, white is only formed here. And see here it is red. So what is happened here, XR is carried through the mother carrier here, not both are dominant, only one is dominant. That means here one is acting as a carrier and carried to the grandson. So that means father is affected through the daughter act as a carrier. Disease is carried to the grandson. Another best example is the color blindness. So for example, if you take the color blindness, so color blindness father is there. See, normal X female, XCY color blinded. Then what is gamete here formed? Only X. Here 50% XC, 50% Y. Then these two are crossed, female XC, male XY. That means gene from the father carried to the, here it is a parent generation, these are parent gametes. This is the F1 generation female. So F1 generation female is acting as a carrier. What here happening? F1 generation female is acting as a carrier. Again, she marry the normal person. That carrier female is marry the normal person. Then what is the gametes? Normal gamete, color blinded gamete. Here both are normal. Then what happened here? See. Put the bullet chart. XY male, XC female. XX normal female, XY normal male, XXC carrier female, XCY. That means here XCY grandson is affected if father is acting as a disease. Color blindness means here one of the disease, they cannot recognize the colors, red, blue, red, blue, green colors they cannot be recognized properly is called color blindness. That is occurred due to the gene which is located on X chromosome is mutated. So here father is color blinded, that is carried to the daughter. She married the normal person. Her son is affected. That means from the grandfather, grandson is affected through the carrier daughter. From the grandfather to grandson is affected through the carrier daughter. Grandfather to grandson through the carrier daughter is called crisscross. It is applicable to X recessive disorder, and this is transferring from the father to the grandson through the carrier female. This is also called skipping generation, because see here parent generation is affected, F1 is not affected. Again F2 is affected, F3 is not affected. F4 is affected, F5 is not affected. Like skipping generation will be affected. That's why it is called skipping generation disorder. It is applicable to only X recessive disorders like color blindness, hemophilia. These disorders only occur due to these crisscross inheritance. In detail in disorders we discuss this, but here today's main concept is sex inheritance. What is sex inheritance? Means gene which is located on the sex chromosome is called the sex inheritance. Who proposed it? Morgan is proposed. How he proposed it is, he observed some experimental proofs in Drosophila by crossing the red-eye female with white-eye female and reciprocal white-eye female with red-eye. The whatever result here forming is changed. Why it is changed? Because here genes are whatever sex inheritance trait is changing, the result is also changing. By this way he concluded that eye color giving gene is present on X chromosome and R is dominant, and female is containing 2 alleles, male is containing 1 allele, because female is 2, male is 1 X chromosome. And X recessive gene always male is getting from the female, male is getting from the female. Yes or no? Always X chromosome is coming from the son, from the mother only, because father is giving Y chromosome, and it is obeying, this recessive gene is obeying crisscross. What is crisscross? Father is affected through the carrier daughter, it is going to the grandson. That means parent generation is affected. F1 generation, daughter is acting as a carrier, female is acting as a carrier. F2 generation, male is affected. This is called the crisscross inheritance. Mainly it is applicable to X recessive disorders like color blindness.